The grabber, dude, that's legendary. Look how much
bro.
grab that has, dude.
I could hold all this weight. Sewer surgeon.
Well, I'll tell you what, let's sign them on T&M, and then look, another truck sitting there. Number 4, whose truck's that?
That's mine.
Let's go. Spartan Bob was in town recently, sold me on the hook. Gotta leave the air conditioner on so I'm nice and cool when I get in. We got a new toy.
Someone took a couple sharp turns on the way here, huh?
It's not strapped in. Angelo did it.
He's a ghost.
He's ghosting us today. So Spartan Bob stopped by. We got the hook now. And UPS did a great job here. Look at this. Let's see what we got, boys. Where's Angelo? There it is. Look at this beauty. The hook. The hook retriever. For when you drop something down your sewer, you can give us a call now. So here's the story. Spartan Bob comes here. He's our guy. We're going to get my jetter serviced, right? He goes, look at this beautiful hook I got here. So I go, yeah. I go, that's awesome. Gives me the number. I'm like, let me just wait a couple days, Bob. Think about it. 2 or 3 days later, City of Vendor calls me. They have a leader from a Spartan 300 stuck in their sewer. Guess what we do? We call Bob. Bob, we need that hook. Bob, Spartan Bob does it. I have it in 2 days. Bam, here we are. Now we're gonna go save Ventnor now. After we train. Oh, so this is manual right here. Wow, does it go in one direction?
I don't know.
Wow, let me try it. Do it backwards. Wow. Okay, Spartan Bob. This is going to be epic.
That changes the game.
So now we're hooked. Bang, pull it out. Can I show you something else? Did we show this on my YouTube channel yet? I don't know. Spartan Warrior. Been kicking ass with this baby. 19 gallons a minute. Does some serious damage to clogs. Oh. Sunscreen always around. Look at my skin, I'm pink.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
So right now we're on site of it. A little boo-boo. We're going to assume that it was, it just fell off the cable, which all you Spartan experts out there, which I am not, just a noob. The cable popped off the 300, the leader. We're going to try to snag it for the boys. Oh, it drops in 45. It's the leader, and here's the head.
I can see it right there.
Yeah. So maybe the pin popped out. I need my copper hook, dude.
The one I'm getting is a pigtail.
Okay.
It's a spring. It's a coil like this.
Okay.
It's about this big.
Right.
It's real fat and it comes real skinny like this, and hooks to my head, my leader. And then I put that in there. I spin it as it's going around like this. It coils around like this.
Oh, you use the snake to actually.
And then I pull it back. Yep.
That's a retriever.
Yep.
For the cable machines.
Yep.
Now we're in. So I'm just gonna push it all the way in.
Oh, baby. We need it out of there.
Be nice to us. Talk to daddy. You know how we like to talk to daddy here.
You gotta talk to daddy.
Talk to daddy. I gotta see that it's catching. Oh, there it goes.
We're close, dude. We're right on it. You see the head?
Yeah.
I think you got it, dude. No, close. You see that?
Close. close with no cigar. It's so hot out right now.
Yeah, but they claim this could take up to 4 hours on their video. Trial and error. It just pulled right off.
We're on it. So watch this. Let me rotate a little bit more. Alright, here we go. I think I can get the hook. See, there's the blade. How far is it? Oh, it mains. Ooh.
It's just because it's a leader, it's so hard.
Two weeks ago, we were here trying to catch this snake.
Still swimming around down there, going down for round 3.
3, yeah. We're busting out all the tools today, baby.
Round 3.
Oh, well, they...
It's not backing up. That's a good sign. Because in theory, if this works like CB wants it to work, the chain down, we shouldn't even need the grabber. In theory.
In theory, right, no.
If it gets caught in here, it should just come fully back to us. I actually have to untangle it out here somehow.
Gentlemen,
What's up, dude?
You guys showed up the street today?
I see you at lunchtime sitting on their porch.
No, we're gonna go down there and we'll get it right now.
You're the best in the business, so.
Drain specialists.
Drain. I'm a sewer surgeon. She'll swoop right in. Alright, baby. Trying to get this head, this leader. And we had some kind of backup here prior. So I just ran the jet a tiny bit. We still got something going on right here. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna go ahead and move my generator up.
We're in the mainframe. Got anything yet, or that's a great white?
It's going in the city main.
Alright, we have the great white in a position that we can now use the Spartan grabber. We haven't had a catch with this yet, but we're hoping for one right now.
Dude, why doesn't it go in?
But I'm gonna hand it to you. Is it open?
Now it is. And as soon as I open that, it closes, right?
Now all you gotta do is open that thing. Now we're ready to fish. Dude, I think you're in it. I think you're on it, dude. Dude. I think you're on it, dude. Dude. Are we recording it there?
Yep.
We got the shot, dude. I'm drawing it back. This guy is the best in the business, dude. Angelo Barron, you need any help over here clearing the hole or something?
I need you getting the shots, brother.
Okay. You think you're pulling it all the way out?
We're gonna find out. Let's just get this
This
in.
is a 20-footer, dude. This is a 20-footer. It's a great white. We've been looking for this one for weeks. slow. You don't want to hear it. Oh my gosh, I can hear something.
It's right there.
It broke free at the bottom of the hole.
On the 45.
How far is it?
Right there. Look where the camera is.
So you just got to make that. That bend's almost impossible with that thing, though.
I just gotta get it down there. I just need to take a breather, and then we're good.
You ever watch The Karate Kid? You're pretty much Mr. Miyagi. I figured it out. See it, watch. Turn it this way. This way. Now go.
Alright. Now twist me.
Now you want to go.
Like, I want to be. Yeah, like that. And just
Want to open?
Yeah.
I see it.
I think I'm on it now.
Should we do it? Let's see what happens. You did it. It's in.
I'm on?
Yeah, closed. I don't know if it's on it. It is. Yeah, it's on it. Dude, we caught it. The great white mako.
Weeks in the making, baby.
The grabber, dude. That's legendary.
Look
Look
at
how
that
much
grab, bro.
grab that has, dude.
I could hold all this weight.
That's insane.
That's godly, bro.
But you have to be precision, dude. Don't just think anyone can get that on there. That took us 3 weeks to learn how to do that.
Sewer surgeon.
Sewer surgeon, dude. Legend.
I guess, City.
It's legend status, huh, Angelo?
I'm feeling pretty legendary on a Monday.
That was legendary.
Let's send a picture to CB.
Well, we got our first make with the grabber.
First great white in the making.
Now we can release that video. Grabber, we've had that stockpile for weeks.
For months. 2,500 sitting in the back of the truck.